Welcome! If you've been wondering how to find the list of accounts you've blocked on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, checking your blocked accounts on a desktop is straightforward and quick. Let's walk through the simple steps together. First, open the Instagram app on your PC or go to Instagram.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the left side of your screen where you'll see a menu with several options. Next, scroll down this menu and click on the More icon. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options. From here, select Settings to access your account settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Blocked. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a list of all the accounts you have blocked on Instagram. Here, you can easily review every profile you've restricted from interacting with you. If you want to unblock someone, simply click on their name and choose the Unblock option. Instagram will ask you to confirm, and once confirmed, that person will regain access to your profile and be able to interact with you again. Managing your blocked accounts is a great way to keep your Instagram experience safe and tailored to your preferences. Whether you want to review your block list or make changes, these steps make it easy to stay in control from your PC. That's all it takes to find and manage your blocked accounts on Instagram using the desktop app or website. Give it a try and keep your Instagram experience just the way you want it.